Hey y'all, Billy Thompson here. If you're looking to fix up your truck, figure out what that weird noise is, or just learn a thing or two about keeping your car running right, you've come to the right place. I keep it simple, straight up, and hands-on. Go ahead and give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's get to work. Enough jawing, let's dive in.
This code can appear on vehicles with automatic transmission. When there is a problem with shifting into fifth gear or when driving in fifth gear. The computer-controlled automatic transmission uses several gear ratios, increasing vehicle speed while maximizing engine power. The Engine Control Module, ECM, Transmission Control Module, PCM, or TCM, uses input from various sensors to check the correct functioning of the transmission and its components. The engine speed is often calculated from the transmission speed sensor to determine the torque converter ratio and slip. If the does not match the desired value, diagnostic code P0735OBD2 is set and the engine check lamp lights up. Incorrect ratio codes usually require mechanical checks as well as scanner diagnostics. Malfunction symptoms. The main P0735 fault symptom for the driver is the illuminated MIL, malfunction indicator light. This is also referred to as the check engine or simply check engine light. They can also manifest as the check engine control lamp on the control panel will light up. The code will be stored in the ECM memory as a fault. Delayed or no shift into fifth gear. Slipping of the automatic transmission. Increased fuel consumption. Sometimes drivers may not notice any indication of this fault. Causes of the error. The P0735 code may mean that one or more of the following problems have occurred: low-level or dirty ATF transmission fluid, blocked transmission fluid passages, mechanical failure of the transmission, blockage inside the main transmission governor, faulty shift solenoid, damaged or defective PCM module. How to eliminate or clear fault code P0735. Some suggested steps for troubleshooting and clearing fault code P0735, all damaged system. Circuits and connectors should be checked, repaired or replaced. Any damaged or defective components inside the transmission should be replaced. Check and, if necessary, replace the defective PCM. You should also pay attention to other error codes. These may have appeared in conjunction with the P0735 code. These can help you determine which parts need to be repaired or replaced. Diagnosing and solving problems. Be sure to check the level and condition of the ATF fluid before continuing with the diagnosis. Incorrect fluid levels or dirty fluid can cause shifting problems, affecting the operation of various gears. Transmission clutches are normally controlled by solenoid or fluid pressure. If there is an electrical problem with the shift solenoid, a code relating to this fault should be displayed. Eliminate the electrical problem before proceeding. Obstructed ducts disrupt fluid circulation within the transmission, which can also cause error P0735. If there are several codes with gear ratio errors, but the transmission is working properly, there may be a mechanical problem with the torque converter, main transmission control or pressure problems. You may need to use a diagnostic scanner to determine which equipment the transmission is controlling, and determine whether the engine speed matches the output speed calculated from the transmission sensor. In which vehicles is this problem most common? The problem with code P0735 can occur in a variety of cars, but there are always statistics on which this error occurs most frequently. Here's a list of some of them: Audi, BMW, X5, Chrysler, Ford, Explorer, Hyundai, Avante, Elantra, Santa Fe, Solaris, Infiniti, G35, Jaguar, Jeep, Kia, Sportage, Land Rover, Mazda 6, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Pathfinder, Opel, Rover, Saab, SsangYong, Subaru, Volkswagen, Jetta, Passat, Volvo. With fault code P0735 it is sometimes possible to find other faults. The most common are the following: P0729, P0730, P0731, P0732, P0733, P0734, P0736, P0775, P076F, P077F, P07D9, P07F6, P07F7, P1421, P1423, P1624. Fault code P0735, incorrect equipment ratio 5. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0735 is essential for diagnosing transmission issues related to incorrect equipment relationship. By recognizing the symptoms and following the troubleshooting steps outlined, you can effectively address this error. Remember to check your vehicle's manual for specific guidance and consider using an OBD2 scanner for accurate diagnosis. If the problem persists after clearing the code, seeking professional assistance may be necessary. Taking these steps will help ensure your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information has been helpful in your automotive journey.